Hello, I'm Ezza Fathima, and today I'm going to read Splat the Cat Up in the Air at the Fair. It was finally the day of the fair. Splat, Spike, and Plank knocked on Kitten's door. While the friends waited for Kitten, they did stretches. They wanted to prepare for every ride and game at the fair. At last, Kitten came out in a wheelchair. "What happened?" asked Splat. "I fell down the stairs," said Kitten. "I can't go to the fair." Everyone signed Kitten's cast. Then Splat, Spike, and Plank waved goodbye, and off to the fair they went. "Poor Kitten," Plank said. "I wish we could share the fun of the fair." "We can," said Splat. "Let's bring Kitten something back from the fair." When the friends got to the fair, the first time they saw a spooky sign, "Beware of the ghost bear. Go in if you dare," said Spike. "No way," said Plank. "Too creepy." "I don't care," Splat said. When Splat came out of the ghost bear's lair, he had spiky hair. I wasn't really scared," Splat declared. "What's next?" Then the friends heard a cry, "Shop in here. Lots to wear." "How about a fun hat for Kitten?" asked Spike. "It might mess up her hair," said Splat. Another voice blared, "Are you hungry? Try my wares." Plank picked up a chocolate eclair. "Yum," he said. "Kitten would love these." The friends went on the next ride, and Splat took care and Spike took care of the chocolate eclairs. When they got off, Plank and Splat stared at Spike. He had cream all over his face. "No more eclairs for Kitten." "Sorry, I was hungry," said Spike. "Well, get more," said Splat. "For Kitten, we've got money to spare." They went back to the food booth. "Now what?" said Plank in despair. "Let's ride the Ferris wheel," Splat said. "I think better when I'm up in the air." The friends went up and up and up. Plank said, "Wow, what a view." Spike said, "It's so unfair that Kitten couldn't be here too." Splat spotted a game for the air with "We can win a stuffed teddy bear for Kitten," said Splat. The cat in charge of the booth explained the game. Splat would get a pair of coconuts to throw. If Splat hit the square, the cat in the chair would fall into the water tank. Splat would win a prize. Okay, said Splat. Here I go. He threw the first coconut. The coconut fell on Spike's foot. Spike screamed. His scream scared the cat in the chair. The scaredy cat jumped into the air. Look what you've done, said the booth owner. He gave Splat a glare. It was time to leave the fair. The friends helped the scaredy cat get untangled from the balloons. The grateful cat gave Splat, Spike, and Clink the balloons. The friends took the balloons home to give to Kitten. It's nice to know how much you care, said Kitten. I'm lucky to have friends with flair. The end. Thanks for reading with me.